This is the elevator at the La Quinta Inn and Suites in Tampa, Florida, right next to USF's campus. And that is a loud hydraulic motor. Here we are at 4. There's a little look at the hallway. And you can get a little view out here. That right there is Fowler Avenue. Didn't leave us. Let's go to 1. Oh yeah, actually also, that right there is an ECI interlock. It says, I think, 997. So installed September 1997. There's even a nudge mode on this thing, wow. Here is your cab view. I want to say that's like an air freshener up there. Here's your phone. Here's your inspection certificate. Now we're over here at the other elevator on the opposite side of the hallway. Let's go 4. Looks like all the buttons have been replaced with ThyssenKrupp Aurora in here. Except maybe that one. Except it doesn't work, obviously, and I would hope it doesn't work. Also, actually, that might be a light. That might not be a physical button. But regardless, it looks original. Again, here's a look down the hallway. The other elevator is all the way at the other end. ThyssenKrupp Aurora buttons. Here is your inspection, or not inspection, phone. Now here's your inspection certificate. Here's your cab view. Alright, we're just gonna take it for that one ride. Alright. There it goes. And that'll be it.